Yo, 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 what up, YouTube X? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. So just to give you guys a heads up, I am going to be doing two different recordings. If you don't know, I am using my new Sony ZV-E10 II. I'm recording this in 30 frames per second. Next one's going to be shot in 24 frames per second. One was actually shooting from that camera also. If he has like a crunching sound, that's me just chewing on a cough drop. So first package right here. There we go. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. There we go. I got other stuff coming in. I don't even think I'm gonna unbox that one that's coming on my birthday. So yeah, I need to sharpen this knife because it's not cutting like it used to. It's probably, you know what? I've been using this side so much. I haven't been using the other side. That's sharp like hell. Let me see something real quick. Do I need to sharpen this side? No, I don't. Yeah, this shit is sharp right there. So what did we get? We got this. So what is that? It is a remote control handle for the Sony ZV-E10. I wasn't going to buy the Sony one because the simple fact was the Sony one, you can take it off the controller part on here, but they want $159 for that plus tax. I'm not spending all that money just for a name brand, when I could buy something like this and do the exact same thing, same exact functions, everything like that. So here it is right here. And the thing about this has a touch screen. I mean, not a touch screen, it has an LCD screen right there. So we get this, we get USB charging, USB-C. We get a nice little wrist strap right here. And here's the product right here. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Do y'all see that autofocus? Look at that. Look at that. Damn. That's the reason why I brought this camera, guys, because when I'm doing product reviews, I got a nice depth of field, bokeh. It's even better than my Sony. I'm sorry, my Lumix G7, which I got a nice lens on that one. But yeah, I love this, and it's actually better than my DJI Pocket 3. So yeah, let's just remove this really quick. There we go, and you can tell somebody was touching that. Yeah, got some dirt and stuff on here. Do I have any? Yes, I do. Good thing I have some of these sitting around the house at all times. Some alcohol pads, because I am doing so much reviews and stuff like that, and when I'm building computers and controllers, I need to have a lot of alcohol pads around for like electronic purposes. So when I'm cleaning like thermal paste, or when I need to clean a motherboard, I have some of these around, and it's just way better. So yeah, okay, there we go. So here's the stand right here. You just pop this like this, push that button, and it spread its legs open just like that. That's what she said. So get that. There you go. Get your nice little stand like that. Tripod right there. Close this bad boy back up. What is this for? I don't know what that's for. Because you can just do that. I wonder if it's for this. I don't know. I don't know what that button is for. You press this button here, up and down. Got this right here to tighten this up. Then you got this release right here, which I have to take this out to take the battery out, or do I have to charge it? Nope, I have to charge it up. So it should be good to go. Let's just see if it'll power on. Yeah, there we go. And I can do my recordings like this and control everything like that. So yeah, let's put this to the side right there. Gotta hit that little button right there. So if this way goes in first, then you hit that button, snap into place, and you got your little handle like that. So yeah, there we go, boys. That's this right here. This is by, I don't know how to pronounce this name, but I ain't gonna butcher myself. But let's actually turn this thing off. Power off. There we go. So that's this right here. Put it right here. Get ourselves a nice little thumbnail right there. And we good to go. So my next unboxing is going to basically be shot on the camera itself. And we're going to go from there. All right, guys. Going to be in 24 frames per second. A little bit more slow paced on top of it. And we go from there. All right, guys. It's your boy Daddy Easy here. iPod Jailbreak Hacker. Only using time locks. Remember, live it, love it, game it, peace and deuces. And I'll catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.